This morning, a new health update from one of the most popular authors in the world, Colleen Hoover, the writer behind bestsellers like Verity and It Ends With Us.
You have a really nice view.
I do.
Sharing an update on her cancer treatment yesterday, posting second to last day of radiation. A welcome update for the many fans who have followed Hoover's work over the years.
I write because I have to. Like, it's my therapy. It's what I enjoy doing. It feeds my soul.
The author shared that in the past few months, she has been battling cancer without specifying the type, but posting just last week that her disease did not come from family genes or from, quote, the two main causes of the cancer, which are HPV and excessive hormones, adding this means it was more than likely environmental. Lifestyle. And in the fall, Hoover revealing that she was having, quote, unavoidable surgery and had to miss the premiere of Regretting You, a movie based on one of her books.
What are you doing?
Humor me?
Another adaptation, It Ends With Us, the center of a highly publicized legal battle between stars Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni in 2024. But the movie was still a success, and more films based on her work are set to come out this year. Hoover, a mother of three, reflecting on her journey with Jenna in 2023.
When you first started writing in 2012, could you ever have imagined this?
Absolutely not. Oh my gosh, no. Like, my goal was to, I hope I write a book someday.
Now, the best-selling author of 26 books reassuring devoted fans as she continues her health journey.
Meanwhile, as Hoover faces this health battle, her latest book, Woman Down, comes out today. She has not yet announced any plans for a book tour. Guys?
All right. Best wishes, though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, Steph.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.